Hi everybody, welcome back. It's been about 3 years since I've actually done a cooking video. It's been a while. So we're coming back with a leftovers special. I want to do a series on leftovers, and today I'm gonna make a quick lunch. So I hope you all enjoy. This is going to be leftovers using my rice, white rice from yesterday, some beans that I made yesterday. They're like stewed beans, the Spanish beans, some sofrito, which is our Spanish seasoning, and a pork chop cut into pieces. Now this is called Arroz, mamposteao, and it's just pretty much the Puerto Rican version of a mixed up leftovers rice, like a rice bowl, but everything is mixed together. So we're gonna start off with a little bit of olive oil. My pot is has been heating up, and I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. I like this one. I like a good, good quality olive oil. We're just gonna use a little bit. Hopefully you can see it. There you go. And then to that, I'm gonna add my sofrito, and I'm gonna turn down because I had the stove heating up a little bit. And I only just need one. I make mine in cubes. I'll show you like this. And I freeze it, and it's perfect. So each cube is about 1 tablespoon. And I'm only using 1 tablespoon right now because I already seasoned all the beans, and this is a very small portion. I only have a little bit, like I said, 1 pork chop and about a cup, maybe a cup and a half of beans. So it's just gonna be small portions today. Also, I have my little spice rack over here just in case. It's a little mobile spice rack if I need to add any seasonings as I go. So I like to let my, it's gonna have to defrost in the pot, and then we'll come back when we start adding the ingredients. All right, now, so our sofrito has melted, and now we're gonna add our meat to reheat it. So our pork is going in the pot, or pork chop, I should say. And remember, everything is going to be just heated through because these are leftovers. So everything's cooked, and we don't want to overcook anything. So we're just gonna start heating that through. And then while that's heating through, I'm going to also add the beans. Actually, no, excuse me. I'm gonna add the rice first. Heat that up, and then we'll add the beans. All right, so that's our rice added in with our pork pieces. And we're just gonna mix it up. And it's kind of like fried rice, except we're adding the beans, so it makes it more of a wetter consistency. You know, the difference is that fried rice is drier. I love to use leftovers this way. Now I'm gonna add the beans. And my beans have potatoes, and let me tell you, it adds such nice layer and depth of textures and flavors. This is one of my family's favorites to remix leftovers. Because, you know, not everybody likes leftovers, and if you make it into a completely different meal, then you don't have to call it leftovers, right? Now, we're gonna let that heat through. Let me show you what it looks like. And as that cooks, it's going to heat everything through, and then I'll show you when we're ready to serve. And there you have it, folks. This is our arroz mamposteado, our leftovers reconfigured into an amazing Puerto Rican mixed up rice with beans and a leftover pork chop. And a nice little side with our last of avocado that we had and some leftover corn. Nice little salad to go with this for a delicious, nutritious lunch made with leftovers and in less than 15 minutes.